Welcome back to another video. My name is Patrick Burgos. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell notification for new videos. This video is going to be me going to the beach, and you guys are going to see me just going to the beach and just see how people are, see what they're doing, and how I can have fun with this pandemic. Enjoy the video. I was going to ask him about how the waves were looking, but I didn't. This is like the first summer that no one's wearing masks. As we are getting to that point. So we made it. Seaside Heights. Just an incredible view. That's amazing. This is amazing. Try to prove people that you can do it.